Hi there.
Hello, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. My name is Conrad.
Yeah, come on in.
What
What was that?
My name is Conrad from ITEC 451 Supply.
Okay.
What's your name?
Callan.
Alan?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I had a meeting today with Kais. Is he around today?
No, he's not around. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he told me a little bit about it. But I wasn't really anticipating this. So, but sure. Stop on. Yeah, you can sit on down for a few minutes.
Okay, it'll just be a moment here. So I'm from ITEC 451 Supply. We're a metal distributor and processor here in Kearney.
Okay.
And
Metal distributor. Like what? What do you mean?
metal distributor. So we do sheets, plates, coil
For what?
for manufacturers.
Okay.
Guys like yourself.
For manufacturers. Okay. What can you tell me about our company?
Well, I know you overhead garage doors,
Mm-hmm.
located here in Kearney,
Mm-hmm.
as well as Grand Island.
Right.
And all I know is Kais. I don't know
Yeah.
much more about your company. I know you've been around for about 100 years.
Oh.
I saw. Would you like to explain a little more about your company and your role here?
Well, we're one of the largest manufacturers of overhead doors in North America. We are a global company. We are spread across several vertical markets. So, I mean, any vertical market you can think of in terms of, oil and gas or, mining operations all the way down to residential. We're involved in those markets. So we deal with, some of the smaller players, but we also deal with a lot of the larger global players as well. And in terms of, you said it was metal?
No, sir. Yes,
Metal
sir.
supply. That's all been handled already in terms of what we need for the next 3 years. But again, I don't know unless you're talking about something else. In terms of what we need today to manufacture over the next 3 years, that's all been signed, sealed, delivered.
Okay. Well, previously with my meeting with Kais, we talked about some of like your pain points that you were having.
Whose pain points?
His pain points, and as well as some of your pain points in your company.
What did he say they were?
He said that your lead times were a little far out due to COVID.
Mm-hmm. That's everyone.
That's everyone.
That's just the market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, at ITEC 451 Supply, since we are here in Nebraska and Kearney, we'd be able to get you lead times of just a day. I don't know what your current lead times are right now. Our warehouse is 200,000 square feet, so we can stock a lot of material that you would need. We also hired 5 delivery drivers. I know a lot of companies are having issues with finding truck drivers, so that helps with our lead times. Another thing was pricing. It's pricing up.
Well, I mean, our contracts are already set for the next 3 years. So in terms of pricing, pricing is what it is. Other people are going to be impacted by it a little bit more than we will be, but since we've committed to a 3-year agreement, there are going to be some fluctuations that we may have, but they're going to not to exceed a certain percentage. Otherwise, we will walk away. So they don't want to lose our business.
Well, for our pricing, I take.
But we're already. I mean, we're signed. We're done for the next 3 years. So we don't. I don't know. I guess come talk to me in 3 years.
Okay. Well, I could do that, but I would like to have a conversation right now about that. Maybe.
What about what I want, Connor?
What would you like?
What would I like?
What would you like?
Appreciate you asking. I'd like to learn a little bit more about you. So where are you from?
About me? Okay.
Yeah.
So I went to Kearney Catholic High School here.
Cool, man. I went to a Catholic high school as well.
So where at?
SCOTUS.
SCOTUS, okay.
We're like kindred spirit, man.
We are.
Yeah, there you go.
We are. I played golf and tennis for
Nice.
4 years there.
Yeah.
Then I went to UNK, got a degree in industrial distribution.
Nice. So did I, man.
You did?
So wow,
Wow,
yeah.
that's crazy.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
crazy.
So look, we've got some similarities, we've got some commonalities.
We do. Who are your teachers? Did you have Benjamin broccoli at all, or did you?
No,
No,
I had Yoakum. I don't know if you guys-
Oh, yeah, okay.
Probably still running around a little bit, right?
He,
Scott Yoakum?
she,
Scott Yoakum.
oh, Scott, yeah.
Yeah. Brenda Yoakum, is she still
Yeah,
here?
she's still around.
Cool.
She is.
I like that. Always helped me with my resume. Yeah,
She was really good about that.
She hammers us on
she
the
did.
resumes. Sure, man. But did you do any sports or anything like that?
Yeah,
High school?
yeah, I did. I wasn't a big golfer, although you do a little bit of that now. I golf a little bit. I'm horrible, but yeah, I did some sports. So, well, yeah, man. Conrad, I mean, you seem like a really nice individual, and it is nice that you're a local company. But when it comes to how we do business, we're not just a national company. We're a global company now. And we try to get our materials at a more national and global level. So what do you have in terms of a national presence for maybe any of our sites?
So where are you located at globally?
All over the world.
All over the world?
All
Okay,
over.
so we have locations in Canada,
Okay,
Mexico.
okay,
Recently, we just got a place in New Zealand.
Okay.
And so we're kind of spread out,
Mhm.
growing
Okay.
our company out. So we have a couple locations globally.
Where? Tell me a little bit about your guys' manufacturing process. So are you like, do you have any like cut sheets or anything in terms of like materials? So I can see kind of what type of product we're talking about. Like, tell me exactly what your manufacturing process looks like.
So we get everything from our manufacturer in Arkansas.
Okay,
And how that works is we place an order through them. Whatever specs you would need or what we would need.
Okay.
We have test reports
Mhm.
that come back with the data.
okay,
And then what we do is take that material and then process it to however you want it, like certain lengths, different edges. We do milling. And that takes about 2 weeks
so are you guys
to get from them.
okay? So are you guys manufacturing anything, or are you
No, we just process the metal
you process?
to our customers' specific needs. So what are some, I guess, some barriers, 1 or 2 barriers that are kind of keeping you?
Well, it just seems it just seems really premature. I mean, we put out a request for bid 6 months ago, and you guys didn't place a bid. I mean, we put out a bid proposal. Is there any reason why you guys didn't bid when we put this out?
I'm not too sure about that.
How long have you been with the company for?
For about a year.
Okay, so you were around when this thing went out for bid 6 months ago.
I probably didn't handle it or hear about it because we have a couple of other insider representatives.
So it's somebody else's fault.
So it was probably someone else, but I apologize for that.
You didn't apologize to me. I mean, you guys didn't get the business. I mean, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I apologize for that experience.
I didn't even know who you guys were.
Understand. But with me, I stand behind our product 110%. I'm available 24/7. Any problems, any issues you have, you can contact me
24/7.
24.
Come on, man, that sounds kind of cheap, man.
In the medical field, you gotta be
We're
anytime.
in the medical field.
Hey, I'm 24/7, sir.
All right.
Any problems, issues you have, you can contact me.
Mhm.
And I guarantee you, I'll give you the best service and quality that I can offer you to the best of my ability.
You're making me a little uncomfortable.
Why is that?
I feel like you're trying to solicit something else other than just steal. What are you talking about, man? When you talk about service, it's getting a little weird here, man.
Not that kind of service.
What are you talking about?
Just our day to day. If you have any problems or issues, you can contact me.
I'm just joking, man. Come on, lighten up a little bit. No, like I said,
But if you would like to send over a quote to me, I mean, I'll get that, or a list of materials that you have or products. I would like to send you over a quote.
Well, I'm
right
not
after
gonna
this
shop,
meeting.
I'm not gonna shop it out. That would just be a waste of time.
Okay, I could prepare a list and send it off to
So I
you.
mean, we've gotten everything buttoned up for the next 3 years,
Mhm.
is what I'm trying to say.
Mhm.
And you wanna keep talking, but like, what are our options here? I mean, this. I don't know what else we could possibly figure out at this point.
Is pricing an issue at all, or what are,
No, I mean, it's, I mean, it could become an issue. But, I mean, based on what the agreement says, it's not gonna exceed a certain percentage. Because we committed to them for such a long period of time, based on what the environment has been doing for the last few years, so.
and that doesn't allow you to view other options?
You know, we wanna try to maintain a good relationship, so if we were in a partnership with you. I would think that you would be, you would want us to do the same for you, right? If we agreed to a 2-year partnership, you wouldn't wanna hear about us shopping it out.
Right.
Every few months, right?
Correct.
So that's how we would,
Mhm.
that's how we'd work in a partnership with you.
Mhm. So. Like I said, if you would like to send over a list, or I can send you over a quote of some different types of material that we have to offer. I could get that over to you and you could view that. Possible.
But I already said we're locked in for the next 3 years on everything that we need for, in terms of what you're supplying. So why would I put that out there to get?
You might see something you like, whether that be pricing or lead times.
I mean, I can, could reach out to our purchaser, who kind of keeps an eye on that thing, who kind of keeps an eye on that. And I can give you his name, you could reach out to our purchaser,
The purchasing.
yeah,
Okay.
and they may be able to. They may be willing to shop it out. I personally, that's not how I do business.
Okay, and do you have their contact information then?
Yeah, I mean, you can find it at the front desk. There's cards up at the front desk where you can find it. Where you can find our purchaser's name. How do you think your company differentiates itself? I mean, who are your 3 largest competitors right now?
3 largest competitors. Ryerson.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've heard of Ryerson Metals.
Oh yeah, we've heard of them.
We've heard of them. We have Alro.
Mhm.
Or those are our 2 big ones.
Yeah, okay, so those are the 2 big
Those
ones.
kind of 2
How do
big
you
ones.
differentiate from
Ours is gonna be pricing, because
pricing?
or not pricing. The quality of our work is gonna set us apart from
The quality.
the quality of our work.
Okay. Are you guys always? Well, so I mean, that's the thing though, is like you're telling me to, you just want me to give you a list and you're just gonna price it out. Like, I don't see what quality is just based on a price, based on a number, right? So I don't know how is the quality any different? I mean, me giving you a specification and you cutting it a certain way to a certain spec. I mean, how is the quality gonna be any different between you and Ryerson?
So I done a lot of tours through plants and warehouses,
Mhm.
Seeing other people's metals and their processing. You can really tell the difference between our metal and their metal.
Mhm.
Ours is gonna be a lot lighter,
Uh-huh.
and theirs is gonna be a little bit darker. You can just see by looking at it,
Right.
the difference in the quality of our material and their material.
Uh-huh.
And then
What does that mean? What does that mean in terms of the color? What does that, I don't understand?
the way it's processed and how it comes from the manufacturer and how they.
So
Process
darker,
it.
like lighter color is equals versus darker, like a deeper metal is better? I don't understand.
It's just gonna be the quality and the strength and the structure of the piece of
Okay.
metal.
What else? What else differentiates you from your competitors?
I would say our team as
Okay.
well. Our team is hardworking. They care about our customers. They'll do anything for our customers. Everyone works as a team. That's kind of why I joined them. They have the same mindset as me. They stand behind our product 110%,
Mhm.
and they care about our customers. So
Mhm.
I think that's kind of what separates us from our competition.
What else?
I'd say for myself, I'm hardworking. I'm there
Yeah.
for you anytime you need me.
Okay,
Like I said, 24/7, and I stand behind our product. So
Mr. Trunk,
yes,
your Ryerson rep is here.
Connor,
all right,
here's what I'm gonna do, Connor. We do have one job that has to meet a certain specification that your competitor cannot meet. So I'm gonna have you grab the purchase number, have them. It's gonna be Project Yale, reach out about Project Yale. And they'll know what we mean. It's kind of a code name. And I want you to quote that job and we'll see. We'll see how things turn out because they can't meet the specs on that job. So that one does have to go for a competitive bid.
Okay.
Yeah, because there are certain jobs that obviously they can't cover for everything. Okay. Connor,
all right.
nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet
Have a
you.
good one.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.